Well, good morning, dear students. So let us begin with the continuation of module 4, that is switching system software. So in today's video, we shall see with the topic called as software linkages during a call. So without wasting a time, let us move on to the next slide, that is software linkages during a call. So this slide shows you the block diagram of software linkages during a call. Like what are the software which are linked during the establishment of calls. So like line modules, trunk modules, switching fabric, and line circuit programs, line control programs, network control programs, switch control, software control, maintenance program, call processing programs, translation office, disk unit. All these units, different units which are connected with each other, plays a very important role, and they have their own role to play in order to establish a call. So here in this line control program, which helps in scanning the status of lines through a line modules and helps in recording the status in network status program. The line control also works with the line service circuit programs in providing a dial tone, digit receivers, ringing circuits to the subscriber lines. The network control program helps in initiating connections through a switching fabric. Means it helps in establishing a connection between different through a switching fabric, that is helps in connecting a line modules and trunk modules. The next, that is the subscriber. When a subscriber goes off hook and completes the dialing of entire digits for a call, then maintenance program helps in executing system recovery, system diagnostics, backup, and other maintenance related programs. Like for example, system recovery, maybe the information related with the call, the information related with the duration of the call, information related with the network services, and information related with the lines, line modules, trunk modules. All this is nothing but a system recovery, where the data is recovered from a directory, and also helps in maintaining other related programs. Here, the call processing programs are meant for call processing functions, like processing the call, interfacing with different feature programs, translations, and office data. Once the call processing determines the subscriber line, the allowed features and attributes, it allows a call to establish through a switching fabric. Like for example, when a subscriber A wants to call a subscriber B on the other side, now this call process programs helps in determining the subscriber line, like which line is free, in order to connect the two subscribers. And now to connect these two subscribers, it helps in supporting all the features and attributes related to that particular connection of call, and this is done through a switching fabric. Now the switching fabric is acting as an interface between a line modules and a trunk modules, helps in connecting various lines and trunks. Now this is what about the functions which are carried, or the softwares which are playing their role in order to connect two subscribers. Now the called subscriber may reside in the calling subscriber digit switch, or may in other or maybe in other digital switch. Now, when the called subscriber resides in the same digital switch, the call is referred as an intra-office call. Means subscriber A wants to call to the subscriber B and both are residing within the connectivity of a same digital switch, then it is referred as an inter-office call or intra-office call. Now, when the called subscriber resides outside the range of the digital switch, then it is called as inter-office call. Now, the connectivity of these calls may be a intra-office call or maybe a inter-office call are being established with the help of switching fabrics. So, as I told, the line control programs helps in scanning the line status of the line through line modules and reports the status of the network status program, which in turns works with the network control programs and helps in servicing the line circuit programs provided with the dial tone, digit receivers, ring circuits, as I told. It's nothing but it helps in providing a dial tone which helps in checking the connectivity whether the two subscribers are free at that moment in order to establish a connection. Digit receivers are nothing but the dialed number what a subscriber A is dialing in order to call a subscriber B, and the ringing circuit is nothing but a circuit which helps in providing the ringing current on the other side when the subscriber B is free. Now, this all is monitored by a line control programs to have a connectivity between two subscribers. Now, network control program connections is a connection through which a switching fabrics identifies the subscriber when he goes off hook and completes the dialing of all the digits for the call. Means it helps in identifying the off hook condition of the subscriber and then helps in dialing the number and establishing a connectivity between two different subscribers. Now, here is some of the responsibilities of call processing programs, what we also call it as a functions. They helps in interfacing with feature programs, translation and office data, automatic message accounting, maintenance program. Feature programs, translation, office data are all the information related with the processing of calls, like fetching the information about the call, checking the busyness of the call, checking the network connectivity, then generating the information about the call, like the duration of the call, the billing amount of the call. All these are the functions of call processing programs. Now, maintenance programs are responsible for system recovery, system diagnostic, backup, other maintenance related functions. So, as we discussed, dear students, system recovery is nothing but fetching the information related with the subscriber A or B, any subscriber residing in the connectivity of a digital switch. Then system diagnostic is nothing but checking the connectivity so that a call can be established between two different subscribers. Backup and other maintenance related functions are nothing but generating a system recovery information which is related with the connectivity of the call, line modules, trunk modules, and fetching the information about the duration of the call. All those things are helpful in maintenance program. Then the complete working of this entire system software linkage is basically like first of all, the call processing programs helps in determining the subscriber line and allows the features and attributes. As I told, it helps in identifying the busyness of the call in order to establish a call between two different subscribers. It allows to call and establish a call through a switching fabric. Now the switching fabric helps in connecting a line modules and a trunk modules to establish a connectivity. The call subscriber may reside in the call subscriber digital switch or maybe in the other digital switch. So as I told you, the switching fabrics helps in connecting the inter office call also and intra office calls also. That is this the subscribers who are connected within the range of that digital switch, or whether he is connected outside the range of that particular digital switch. It also helps in monitoring the outgoing trunk and helps in signaling supervision, identifies the trunk circuits, and then helps in connecting the outgoing trunk. Like now, it also helps in answering the subscriber. That is what we call it as a talking path is established between a switching network. So this talking path is nothing but it's a connectivity between two different subscribers. Now once the two subscribers are free at that moment, then a call is established. Now once the call is established, the link gets connected through a switching fabrics, and both the subscribers are able to connect with each other and have a conversation properly. Now this is what we refer to as a talking path. Now as I told, inter-office and intra-office are classified based on whether the subscriber residing within the same digital switch or outside the digital switch. So this is what we refer about working of the system, or these are the features of system software linkages during the call. Now this is nothing but what all the things happens. This in brief it describes what are the functions or the activities which are carried out in order to connect the two different subscribers. So now let us move on to the next slide, that is call features. What are the features of the call? Residence and business customer features, like identifying the customer features about the network, about the call duration, then customer switching system features. So these are nothing but again related with the functions of the network. Coin and a charge, a call features, public safety features, miscellaneous local features, system features, inter-office features, call processing features, database services, data services, system maintenance features, trunk line, special service circuits, test features, cut over and grow-up features, billing and controller features. So all these are the informations which are related with the subscriber. Right from the moment the subscriber A is connecting to the subscriber B. Now the moment, in order to have a connectivity between A and B subscriber, the initial step is to identify the network features, that is system features. Now once the system is free or once the line is free, then it is identified by passing the dial tones. Then he checks about the off hook condition, then the ringing circuit will provide a ringing current. Now thereover A and B gets connected with each other and have a connectivity. Now the question is not over here, because now it's not like once the connectivity is connected and it has to be the work of the software linkages is over. The work of the software linkage will get over only when the conversation is ended. Means what? Right from the connectivity to the teardown of the connection, there has to be a monetization, and these all comes under a call features. So this is what about a call features in today's class. So in the next class, in the today's video, in the next video we shall see about the feature flow diagrams and call forwarding. Thank you.